Our Bonsai Foundation Course teaches the essentials of care, maintenance, repotting, wiring, and styling that students need. We teach philosophy, history, and seasonal care needed for the species of the trees that we are working on. One of our sayings here at Dirty Locust Garden Center is, as you work on the tree works on you. Discover this ancient art form that focuses on patience, creativity, and the deep feeling of calmness. Whether you are a curious beginner or a budding artist, Dirty Locust Foundation Course is where your bonsai journey takes root. Our first-year student foundation course class is completely full. Due to the excitement of this course, we have decided to offer a second first-year student course. We specialize and teach specific seasonal bonsai care, ensuring our students learn the appropriate time of year and timeline. Our care approach teaching adapts to each season's unique demands. Classes are 4 hours long and held once a month on a Saturday. Good day and welcome to our next episode. Right here to my left is our next tree that we'll be working on, and it is an elm. So stay tuned. Students will receive guidance on Japanese black pine, juniper, Japanese maple, azaleas, wisteria, cherry tree, crepe myrtle, elm, quince, dwarf pomegranate, just to name a few. All right, we are done for now. So I wired about 90% of the branches, a lot of small wires on this little tree. It was unique because I had 3 inches to work with. I didn't want to cross the wires, so this is what we've come up with so far, and we are done for now. Students will receive a certificate after the completion of the winter, spring, summer, and fall coursework.